Only the most elite breakfasts. They're so good and so filling. You're trying to get my... No, you're not. You're not. Oh my gosh. I'm here, guys. I'm having lunch just outside my work office. I've got my meal prep lunch. It is rice. This bird, I swear. Look, it's just there. Oh, it's just there. It's gonna eat my lunch, but I'm having rice, tuna, rice and salad with kiwi on top, of course. This bird's just sitting right there. And a bit of avocado in it as well. And then, so yeah, I'm on my lunch break right now. I'm gonna watch a bit of YouTube. So, my lunch, and then I got myself a sweet treat, a cinnamon scroll. That bird, oh my gosh. What if I just go home? There you go. And I got my cinnamon scrolls. Anyway, on my lunch break, it's been such a busy morning. I've had back-to-back meetings, and then I've just had just a bunch of work to do. Oh my gosh, you're back. This bird won't leave me alone, and I've just had a bunch of work to do, but it's been a productive day so far. It's making the day go quicker. So this is my outfit for today. I've got my jewelry, and it's currently raining, sprinkling. I'm just getting some fresh air right now, just outside, because it's so stuffy inside, so I needed some fresh air. But I'm gonna enjoy my lunch. I've only got 20 minutes, so I'm gonna do that. But yeah, so far so good. Busy day, but I think this afternoon it should be pretty nice, and it's a Friday, so I'm gonna do that. Then I have to go home and pack. But yeah, I am catching the bus home, so I'll vlog that, I guess. But yeah, this is me having lunch, guys. It's actually pretty fun, not gonna lie. Sometimes I might go for a walk in the park. It's so wet and rainy, and I'm walking to the park. God, guys. It's the end of the day at least, and it's the weekend. I'm going to Singapore tomorrow, so I need to go home and pack, but oh, why is it so cold?